This AI account is earning more than $10,000 in a single month consistently through the use of AI. In today's video, I will show how to establish an Instagram page with a similar theme using AI with minimal effort. There are numerous YouTube videos on this topic, but this one will be unique. I will show you the exact marketing and psychological techniques you must adopt to develop your page and generate maximum revenue. Even if you are just beginning, you can sell dropship or digital products. Everything will sell if you know how to market it properly. I discovered this new strategy while seeking new methods to generate revenue for my business. I was stunned to learn how much the theme pages earn in such a brief period of time, especially as AI theme pages are trending. This seller generated over $100,000 for Etsy in a matter of months by selling handicrafts and art. I thought, why not create a similar AI business model and do it better? I will use my own methods to obtain results even more quickly, and I will not use Etsy. Instead, I will use my own inventive methods to expand my sales reach. You will be learning a great deal in this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more AI content in the future like this and my progress with this method to make money online. First, we must select a suitable theme for our page. I need social media niche. Here we use ChatGPT for this purpose. You can ask ChatGPT for 10 Instagram theme page ideas where you can post AI-generated images, and we can see the results here. We need emotionally engaging theme pages because when people experience an emotional connection to our page, they are more likely to positively associate with it, thereby increasing their likelihood to purchase our products and services. We will also use this to our advantage. ChatGPT has produced these results. Each has a strong connection, so it will be simple to convince the audience and build a loyal follower base. I choose inspirational quotes because there are several designs in Leonardo AI, and it has enormous potential. I requested more specific sub-niches for the inspirational quotes niche. The larger the targeted audience, the easier it is to sell and expand rapidly, and we need immediate results. It generated numerous results from which I selected success and motivation, as well as entrepreneurial inspiration. Now we have our niche. There is a good connection between the niches and a large but very specific audience. It is simple to convert your followers to revenues. The next stage for us is to devise our AI image generation prompts. We'll move to Leonardo AI. Let's create an account for you. But first, what is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is a creative AI image generator that generates textures, objects, and concept art. It is a superior and free alternative to Midjourney. Let's go to the platform now. What you need to do is type Leonardo AI on Google, and boom, the page to the dashboard will appear here. You can proceed directly with the account creation process or authenticate your username on the whitelist. Submit the form with your name and email address. Once you receive the message from Leonardo AI, you will be required to submit a priority access form. And after you've submitted it through the launch application, you'll have access to your account. This is the user interface through which you will create and download your images. Leonardo AI can generate virtually anything you can imagine, but you must know the precise prompts to give the AI tool. I have typed motivation in the search bar on the platform to get broad results, and we will tweak in as we go further in this video. I'll show you how. We seek images that are visually appealing and highly engaging. The options copy prompt, image to image, and remix are pre-built prompts that will guide you to generate your them images. You can also select download to save the image to your computer. Note that image will have the same excellent quality as Midjourney, and I will show you how to improve the quality of the image even more. Okay, let's move on. If you select image to image, a new version of this image will be generated. Alternatively, you can generate the same image by selecting the option to replicate the prompt, that is copy prompt. Okay, I will now move to AI image generation on the left side of the AI tool and then click on it. You will see this dashboard here. You can also add a negative prompt here if you want. Just toggle on the negative prompt section if you want some features not to appear in your images. For the prompt replication part, you can do Ctrl+C and then return to the image generation dashboard, and then do paste it here. Select Generate. It will produce two distinct images. Click on this icon next to the desired image to increase its resolution. Then, select Download. Okay, now I must upload my images to Instagram, but it takes time for images to gain organic attention. However, TikTok makes it very simple to go viral and gain followers. This strategy resulted in millions of views for me. We can create a similar uplifting narrative about success and motivation by replicating the same process. People enjoy this type of video, so it will be simpler for it to go viral. Alight! Let's proceed to ChatGPT again. I'll ask the AI bot to write 10 inspirational quotes on success and motivation, but keep in mind that the story setting will vary depending on the niche you select. Therefore, the prompt I will write may not work for you. Review the generated quotes and attempt to enhance them, as they may not be exactly what you want. Perfect. Everything is meticulously planned out. Then proceed to the 11 Labs website. It is the finest AI voice generator with the most generous free plan. The free plan gives you 1,000 characters, which is between 1428 and 2500 words. This is more than you will need in a month. Copy and paste the newly created script, then click Generate. Choose the voice that you prefer by experimenting with the many free voices provided. Once you are satisfied with the voice, download it. Then navigate to Canva, search for TikTok, and create an empty template. Upload all of your images and the voiceover. Import the images and voiceover to the canvas and then modify the script as desired. Here is the concluding video I created. It is of viral quality. This video will be uploaded to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. People like these types of AI-generated success and motivation videos, but there isn't much of it on this platform to show people how popular it is. Therefore, there is a good opportunity. After getting a sizable audience, you can begin selling your products. You can choose to sell either digital or dropship products. I believe dropshipping a success art will be very profitable. It has all the characteristics of a viral product and also matches flawlessly with the theme page. Now all you must do is consistently upload every day. And as always, the more you upload, the quicker you will see results. However, don't overdo it or the content will rapidly become exhausted. This is a cost-free method that requires less than 15 minutes of your time per day. I will continue to post on my account and will show the results in a future video. My videos have artistic qualities that no one else in the niche is currently using. We are early to the trend. Subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated on my results, and I continue this series. I am almost certain that my page will expand. I really appreciate you watching till the end of the video. Please like and subscribe for future content on AI.